Okay, so here's our shuffle. First shuffle. So just fan them out. Just go through them real quick. All right, so what do you think about this shuffle?
We seem to actually have quite a lot of them that are together. So we have king, queen, jack of diamonds that are right there.
Okay, yeah.
So.
All right. So what do you think? Is this still in pretty good order?
Yeah.
Well, some parts are in pretty good order. Some parts have been mixed up a bit.
We just basically had the two groups that I took that were in perfect order, and we kind of spliced them together so that we have basically, if we look at the long term, we just have the two separate groups of ones that are in good order.
Okay, so you have two separate groups that are in good order. So do you think this is more mixed up than zero entropy?
Yeah.
Yes, a little bit.
A little bit. Okay, so we're going to do we'll do our computer calculation. I'll make it part of the same video, but I won't leave the camera on while we're moving the computer around, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so we wrote our numbers down on a second sheet here. So I just have to pull those numbers over from the first sheet. So this one equals this number here. So our first starting card was 34. I don't know how well that'll show up on camera, but here we go.
80.
All right, so there we go. There's all the numbers from the other side. Okay. Here's our differences. The difference was 1, 1, 17, 36, 17.
So we have 1, 1, 1.
We've got some ones, but some randomness.
So we got a lot less ones. We had 52 ones before, but we have other differences, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now we go back over here and sum up the logs. See how the logarithms are negative? Because it takes negative powers. But
So our
there we go.
entropy is around,
One.
will it be negative?
Well, I made it. I added up these negative numbers and then I multiplied by -1 to make it positive. So our entropy went from 0 to 1.65.
So, yeah, pretty good.
So our entropy calculation says this is a little bit more unordered
Than like what we previously had.
than what we previously had. But just looking at this ordering, you guys both said this is not very good. Like you wouldn't want to deal these cards out.
No.
This is not very shuffled, but our entropy calculation says it's a little bit more unordered than
Maybe
before.
the entropy has to be higher than this for it to be.
Yeah, so what we're going to do is we're going to shuffle it like say 5 more times or something like that, and we'll do that all off camera, and we'll write our successive shuffles down, and we'll just see what the entropy does.
All right.
Okay.